Exploring self-healing car paint protection film. In the ever-evolving world of automotive care, a groundbreaking innovation has taken center stage: self-healing car paint protection film, PPF. Imagine a protective shield for your vehicle that not only guards against rock chips, road debris, and harsh weather but also has the remarkable ability to repair itself, effortlessly erasing minor scratches and swirl marks. Let's delve into the world of self-healing PPF and explore why it's revolutionizing the way we preserve the aesthetic appeal of our beloved vehicles. Understanding self-healing technology. Self-healing car PPF is crafted using advanced materials infused with elastomeric polymers. These polymers possess the incredible ability to revert to their original state when subjected to heat. This means that when your car's paint protection film sustains light scratches or surface imperfections, exposure to sunlight or warm temperatures activates the self-healing process. Benefits beyond aesthetics. Continuous protection. Self-healing PPF provides an uninterrupted shield against road debris, bug splatter, bird droppings, and other environmental contaminants. The continuous protection ensures that your car's paint remains in showroom condition. Cost-efficient maintenance. With the ability to self-repair, the need for constant touch-ups or replacements is significantly reduced. This not only saves you money in the long run but also minimizes the hassle of regular maintenance. Longevity. The durability of self-healing PPF contributes to the longevity of the protective film. Its resilience against scratches and swirls ensures that your vehicle maintains its sleek appearance for years to come. Is it right for you? While self-healing car PPF is a remarkable advancement, it's essential to consider your specific needs and preferences. If maintaining a flawless exterior with minimal effort is a priority for you, the self-healing option might be the perfect fit. In conclusion, the advent of self-healing car paint protection film represents a significant leap forward in automotive preservation. As technology continues to shape the future of car care, this innovative solution stands as a testament to the industry's commitment to both protection and aesthetics. Embrace the era of self-healing PPF and ensure your vehicle enjoys the best of both worlds: unbeatable defense and a timeless, polished appearance.